Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and today we are updating our GUMBALL Machine spreadsheet. So this is our weekly update. Today is Friday the 22nd. We have a half day, an early dismissal. We are all ready for the holidays. And this week, grand total, $35.50. So we did a great week. On Monday, I spoke to the students and I was like, let's try something new this week. I was like, I'm going to try to remind all students that I have quarters on me and if they wanted to exchange their dollars. So I was trying to be a salesperson. It lasted, I think, 2 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We had like the holiday party. And then I wasn't really like a pushy salesperson at all. And I think because we had a lot of snacks and stuff like that in the classroom, nobody really was looking at the GUMBALL machine. I covered a class. We had 2 new students. One student found out we had the machine. She bought like $2 in gumballs yesterday. So looking at the numbers, we were expecting to try to do our highest week. We wanted to go over, and we're going to get to that formula soon, to do the highest, like the min and the max. But right now, looking at it, would be, I think, 36, right? Yeah, $36 was our highest week. So we were so close to beating that. It was $35.50. There you go. And we are going to put some notes. So the week of, what did I write? The 15th. It was the 18th. Week of the 18th. I'm going to put Todoric, salesperson, for 2 days. I was prepared. And then, of course, we had our holiday party. All right, so looking at our spreadsheet, next week, probably nothing. We'll see. Well, whatever today's sales, we only have, like I said, a half day, so it'll be very little. And then we could play around with the spreadsheet, plug in some numbers like usual, 25, 30, maybe we'll hit a high week. Profit. So let's say 25. Let's say consistently 25. So what I'm doing, I'm just plugging in some numbers, taking a look at the profit. Okay, now we're seeing profit. So like I said, we're fully stocked with candy. This should stay the same. So given we do about 20, 25, like our typical, this is kind of high. Maybe we'll have a 39 week going down to 25, 30. I think, these are reasonable numbers. So we might see so definitely a profit in March. So play with the numbers. At least in March, maybe end of February, an estimated guess as far as when we'll see the profit. And then after that, most likely we'll stay consistent with, let's just go low range, $20 a week. And we could drag this down to June. Given we are fully stocked till June, we'll see a $300 profit our first year with this GUMBALL machine investment. And a lot of lessons learned. So that was fun. Like I said, we don't know these future numbers, so I'm just going to clear them out. Right click, clear contents. Select the cells you want, right click. Oops. Even I make mistakes, clear contents. Or you can just kind of click on it, hit the backspace key and just kind of, and then plug in your own numbers. Just do some educated guesses here. And then December, this is definite. So all these numbers are accurate above. It looks like we bought a lot of Skittles, but if you watch the previous videos, I think like we bought Skittles and then we added 2 more bags of Skittles. I'm not sure if we wrote notes here, but we got to look back. Purchased $100 worth of Skittles. Yeah, right here. So in October. So that's why you see like it looks like a lot, but we added 100 on top of the 80 that we had. That's pretty much it. So make sure you keep notes. We are off, so you're not going to hear from me or this Gumball Machine spreadsheet. And then we'll come back in January. And then we will update our January week. That week in this particular class, because we didn't have a holiday party for the other office class, I had them do an assignment of a pizza party. So we'll have a pizza party. As far as keeping track, I had them do the assignment, and we did Domino's, probably like the medium, $6.99 pie, maybe some chicken wings. We'll see if we can afford it. I give them like a $60 budget. So we'll see whether we give them tip or not. They're so funny. The students are like, no, but we will. Of course, we'll tip our driver. I know exactly what that's like, driving for, Grubhub, Uber Eats. So definitely appreciate those hustlers, hard workers. Been there, done that. Absolutely. So we will tip our driver, students, and we will definitely do another spreadsheet. So all these spreadsheets, like I said, is up on our class website, www.thecoolclassroom.com. The code is Nike. This will be updated, posted, so that you can edit, you can use this file, and then we're going to have the pizza, New Year's Eve, New Year's celebration website, and then we're going to have the holiday party. I'm going to use the students file, and we're going to start another spreadsheet. So we'll have one business, Gumball Machine. We'll do a holiday party, and then I don't want to mix it with the pizza. I think we'll keep it separate. Maybe I'll put it together in one file and put the different worksheets. All right. So happy holidays. Thanks for watching. 3550, slightly disappointed. We almost made it. I wanted to kind of show you that with a little effort, reminding, just being that salesperson, it will definitely increase sales. So I hope all is well. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye. Oh, one last thing I forgot. I remember saying in older videos that we're going to update the picture. So we're going to click on the picture. I'm going to have students do that when we come back. I'm going to delete it. To insert a picture, insert. I keep forgetting I'm on Google Sheets. It's not like the real deal program. So down to, usually it's picture, illustrations, pictures, this device, and then I put it on my desktop. So I'm just going to browse for the picture, click on it, click on insert, and then I'm going to drag the corner of it, make it nice and small. So that is our current, I just took this picture today, like just now. So within first period, obviously. I'm going to try to post this before second period. All right. So that's our fabulous Gumball machine, the real deal. That's the quantity we have left. And I'm going to save this spreadsheet, put it up on the Cool Classroom, and then you guys can edit. What else do I want it to do? I think that's it. Just the picture. All right. Happy holidays. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, wait. Let me save it. Don't forget to save. So File, Save As, Gumball Machine Spreadsheet. This is the last. So this will be the last in 2023. I could even add just December 22nd. Perfect. All right. So it's saved. We got the date on the file. And then until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.